kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Opper, and today I'm hanging out in my very own backyard. For today's reading workshop lesson, we're going to think about how noticing ending marks can help us be better readers. Readers, can you think of 3 types of ending marks that you might see at the ends of sentences? You're right. You could see a period. Let's draw that in the air. Dot. A question mark. Or an exclamation point. And these different types of ending marks help us to know to stop and take a breath while we're reading. Let's take a look at one of my Just Right books for today. It's called Time to Sleep. I'm going to read a few pages of this story 2 different ways. Think about what you notice. Animals sleep, people sleep, but do you sleep like the animals? Zebras sleep standing up, do you sleep like that? Flamingos sleep on one leg, do you sleep like that? What did you notice about my reading? That's right. I read all of the words in one big breath, and I didn't stop at a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. I'm going to reread those pages, but this time I'm really going to stop and notice. Animals sleep. People sleep. But do you sleep like the animals? Zebras sleep standing up. Do you sleep like that? Flamingos sleep on one leg. Do you sleep like that? Giraffes sleep curled up in the grass. Do you sleep like that? Swans sleep in water. Cheetahs sleep in trees. Polar bears sleep in the snow. Do you sleep like that? Whales sleep while they swim. Some birds sleep in the air. Bats sleep upside down. Do you sleep like that? I sure don't. You may not sleep like some animals, but maybe you do. The end. I bet you noticed, remarkable readers, that the second time I read, I was really on the lookout for ending marks, like periods, question marks, and exclamation points. While you're reading your Just Right books today, be an ending marks detective and really take notice. Stop for a moment, maybe take a breath when you notice an ending mark. Today and every day, noticing ending marks will help you be a better reader. For our reading workshop lesson today, we're going to focus on our poem for the week called Spring. Let's read it together and give each word just one tap. Ready? Spring. The sun will shine. The rain will fall. And all the flowers will grow up tall. Oh, great reading. I want you to read it again to your grown-up. Do that now. I'm so proud of you, readers. That was a great job. Today, I want you to notice some periods at the ends of sentences. I want you to point to each period when you see it. Let's get started. Spring. The sun will shine. Oh, I see one. Good job. The rain will fall. Oh, there's another one. and all the flowers will grow up tall. Oh, there's another one. Readers, what do we do when we are reading and we see a period? You're right. We stop for a moment and take a breath before we keep on reading. That helps our reading sound smooth and fluent. Today, when you're reading to self, I want you to be on the lookout for ending marks. You might find periods, you might find question marks, or you might find exclamation points. When you see those ending marks, change your voice as needed to make it match what the writer wanted us to do as readers. Before you get started with reading to self time today, I want you to notice one more thing. You can use your snap word or sight word power to read these words in a snap. Let's start with the. Here we go. The. Again, the. See if you can find the word the in one of your Just Right books today. Next, let's read this word in a snap. Will. Ready? Point and read. Will. Again, will. Great job. Maybe you can find the word will when you're reading to self today. Happy reading, and I'll see you next time. Bye.